Hello friends, welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today's recipe is instant dry mango pickle. Goes well with rice. So let's start the preparation. Here I have taken 1 cup of dry mango. Wash it twice with water. And soak it for 15 minutes. Now heat pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, add 1 teaspoon of mustard. Let the mustard splutter. Now add 2 dry red chilies, add 1 sprig of curry leaves, add half teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Add 6 to 7 garlic pods. Peel the skin and add it. Sort it well. Now add soaked dry mango pieces. Sort it again. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 2½ teaspoons of chili powder. You can add it more if you need more spiciness. You can add it up to 3 tablespoons. Sort it and cook well. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt. Once you add salt, add half teaspoon of fenugreek powder. Give a stir and add 1 glass of water. Cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. The water starts thickening. After 10 minutes, add half tablespoon of vinegar and cook for another 2 minutes. The oil starts separating. Turn off the flame. Spicy and tangy instant pickle is ready. Try out this recipe, friends. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandu's cookbook for more videos.